In this video, I'm going to quickly go over how to change your aspect ratio in CapCut. If this tutorial helps, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's jump in. Go ahead and start by opening CapCut and loading your video into the media library. Drag your clip onto the timeline and make sure the video you want to edit is then selected. The aspect ratio determines the shape of your video, such as square for Instagram, vertical for TikTok, or widescreen for YouTube. To change the aspect ratio, go to the lower right part of the preview panel and click the ratio icon. This opens the Canvas settings menu. In this menu, you'll see several preset aspect ratio options, such as 16:9 for widescreen, 9:16 for vertical video, or 1:1 for square videos, and more. Choose the one that matches your platform or project requirements. If you want to customize the aspect ratio, click Custom and manually enter the width and height values. For example, if you want a unique format such as 4:5 for Instagram feeds, you can type those dimensions directly. Once you've chosen the new aspect ratio, you'll notice that your video may not fill the frame perfectly. Select your video on the timeline and go to the Inspector panel on the right. Use the zoom slider to resize the video, making it fit in the new canvas without leaving black bars. If necessary, adjust the position X and position Y sliders to reframe your content and ensure everything important stays within the visible area. For even more flexibility, you can add a background to fill any empty space around your video. Click the Canvas option in the Basic tab of the Inspect panel. You can choose a solid color, gradient, or even a blurred version of your video to make the frame look cohesive and professional. Play your timeline to preview the changes and ensure the new aspect ratio works well with your content. If needed, make any additional adjustments to the zoom, position, or background until you're happy with the results. When everything looks good, you're good to export in the top right. Choose your desired resolution and format, and then save your video. And that's it. You've now learned how to change your aspect ratio in CapCut. I hope this tutorial has helped.